I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching ball and equipment. Get a ball compression that fits your swing speed, low for slower speeds, mid/high for faster. Address the ball slightly forward for driver, center for irons. Make sure your feet are shoulder width, weight balanced, and grip neutral. This sets the contact angle. Once done, take a half-speed swing focusing on solid contact, not power. That first focus strike informs how you'll adjust loft, ball position, and tempo to create true compression at impact. Now refine the mechanics that create compression. You increase tempo gradually while ensuring your hands lead the club head through impact. This delofts the face briefly and traps the ball against the turf. For irons, focus on a descending blow to compress the ball. For driver, shallow the attack but maintain forward shaft lean. Use impact tape or slow video to confirm center face contact. Once you see consistent strikes, make small shaft flex or ball selection changes to optimize launch and spin. Finish by validating results with measurable data. Check ball speed, launch angle, and spin on a launch monitor. You should see higher ball speed and optimal launch for your carry. Make incremental adjustments to shaft flex or loft if numbers are off and retest. If compression feels weak, troubleshoot posture and timing first. Early extension or late release kills compression. Make sure your equipment is fitted. If problems persist, work a short session with a coach to correct sequencing and impact position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.